I have no idea what day of quarantine it is, but I'm gonna lose my mind soon. But anyway, we got some unboxing business to take care of, so that's coming up right after this. And what's going on, everybody? Bro Kilar back in with the project. Today's video, we're going to be doing some unboxing of some things that I picked up before quarantine and are still arriving at my home. I don't know what it is, but every time I film, I get kind of sweaty. I'm not going to lie. I'm just nervous, I guess, which is weird because there's nobody here. Alright, so in the last video, like a couple days ago, I said I was going to be unboxing this package that came in the mail. But before we do that, I got to unbox something else real quick. So this right here is actually a gift from my girlfriend. She got it for me for my birthday. You see that? I really hope that's focusing. Like, I already opened it and I've been using this for a while, but I just put it back in the box because this is an unboxing, so it should be in the box. But like literally, like the ribbon that came tied around it has like Gucci branding on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. That's crazy. So right here is the box. Super sick, super professional. So it comes with this dust bag, but it didn't come in the dust bag. It was on top of the dust bag, but it comes with a dust bag, which is kind of cool. Honestly, I don't ever use the dust bag. It just like sits on my shelf, but maybe I should just leave it in there, and then it'd be kind of cool when I roll up to the store and then I'm like, damn. Alright, so yeah, so she got me this Gucci wallet for my birthday. It's pretty sick. There's the Gucci branding on the inside. You can see it. Hope you can't see my credit card information. Hold up. But on the outside, it's got the tiger pattern. And I actually like the tigers better than the snakes. Fun fact, if you didn't know, I prefer Gucci tigers over Gucci snakes. And I love like this. It's almost like a monogram look. I absolutely love this wallet. The pattern is perfect, exactly what I wanted. I love the monogram. I love the tigers. Everything. I really appreciate it. It was hella expensive, so I'm afraid to get it dirty, so maybe I should keep it in the dust bag, but you know, it's whatever. All right, so next, so like a few videos ago, I did the video where I unboxed the introduction Hype Beast mystery box from Laced Up. If you haven't seen that, you should go watch that because I want views. But yeah, I got this shirt and it's an ape shirt, and I explained that it's different from Bape. This is like another brand by Bathing Ape, but it's not Bape, it's Ape, and it's like cheaper alternatives for Bape stuff. So I was kind of feeling that piece and I really liked it, so I decided to go ahead and pick up another piece from Ape, and that's what we got right here. I was about to just like rip this thing open like usual, but then I thought about it. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I was right. There's another bag in here, so it probably would have been bad if I just punctured this knife right through the whole thing. Oh damn, a business card? Y'all are professional. So I picked this up from some people on Grailed, and they have a lot of inventory, but this is the only cool piece that I could find. Everything else is like really vintage stuff, which I'm not really into. Dang, they like put it in another bag. This is like really professional for a Grailed salesman, I must say. Ooh. Alright, so I got this black tee in a men's large because, like I say in every video, when you're gonna buy Bape, which is a Japanese brand, the sizing scale is different. Everything is one size too small. Wait. Yeah, so everything is smaller, so you want to size up. So like, since I wear a men's medium, in US I would get a men's large for the Japanese sizing scale. So right here we got this Bape shirt. It says Ape Universe by a Bathing Ape right here with the small ape head logo. And on the back it's got a nice big ape branding. It says somewhere in the Ape Universe. Ape Universe by a Bathing Ape. Really cool, but what really sold me and why I really wanted this was because it has this branding down the side. Ape Universe, and I really like pieces that have like a more creative way of throwing stuff on. I mean, everybody's got the small logo on the front, big logo in the back, like we always see that's everywhere, but we get tired of that. So when they do some different stuff, that's what I really like. So that's why I went ahead and I picked this up, and I really like this piece. I better go ahead and try this on then. Now I did pick this up used, so it was like worn a few times, so it's probably been in the washer and the dryer a few times, so it actually does feel a little bit tight. Very cool piece. Like I said before, because of quarantine, I'm cutting back on the amount of stuff that I order, and so that's why I don't have too much unboxing videos. So I gotta kind of stretch it out and unbox like every little thing that I get still coming in. So that's why I'm doing videos like this, so it's really fast, really quick, just to get more videos out there, because I'm sure you guys are stuck at home bored in quarantine. Why not watch my videos? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, because my channel is suffering like really badly. Like I have no subs or views, which is really sad. So that's gonna be all I have for this video. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.
The truth.